we're always short of people, we're always looking for people, we're always expanding. The best way to do that is get involved with the community and events like this. And this is actually the best event for Manufacturer Day in all of San Diego County, or maybe even the country. It's the largest one in San Diego County. It brings students, it brings manufacturers, it brings the community colleges together. So it's just a perfect fit for us.
Most manufacturers have massive shortages. It ranges from welders to machinists. We see some quality assurance and engineers missing.
And if you don't want to go to a four-year college, there's a lot of career opportunities right here in your own backyard where the companies and the manufacturers will give you the training that you need to succeed in a long-time career.
We also have our own 501c3 nonprofit training program where people can come without experience, and within 17 weeks they're ready to enter the manufacturing world.
And the great thing that we do is we have very close industry support. So we have people from industry guiding our curriculum and the things that we do in the class in order to make sure our students are ready to be employed from day one.
This is our current year car. We're on a 2-year development cycle, so the first year we build the car and then get some testing in. The second year we'll integrate on that car and then improve it.
We have other programs outside of Baja. We have Formula, a robotics team.
It's been really helpful getting to hear about these companies I would have never heard about otherwise.
Companies will send in their parts that need refurbished, so we'll do manufacturing repairs to that, being blending, machining, and adding more material back in.
The cool thing about WeldMac is that even if you don't pass, for example, our welding test, we're able to bring you in as a general helper for the weld shop.
Our current internships have been in engineering, specifically manufacturing engineering and quality engineering.
We're an expanding company. We are always looking at new faces, and we're really focused on having that family orientation.
So there are a lot of processes involved in just creating a simple part that you might see on an airplane, but there's lives in that process that needs to be taken care of very meticulously.
Really, for this pathway, the main thing that students need to come in prepared to do is problem solve and make sure that they can critically think about the world around them and apply their thinking skills and their problem solving skills to real world problems.
Obviously, this is setting us up for a lot of people who want to pursue anything in that pathway, because our second year course is called Principles of Engineering, and that includes mechanical, computer, electrical, and civil. So it prepares you with the basics there. I know a lot of students, our teachers told us, that have gone on to electrical school, like trade school, because of this class. And so job opportunities, internships, this class is great for that. Engineering, if that's what you want to do, this is where you got to be.
Because I had the baby, I started manufacturing these products and working as an entrepreneur, and I have to say I love it. It's interesting how life can take you in a whole different direction, but it's all about learning, so we're learning and growing.